the match between Brian and Chen Ru. And the match is started with Brian, the Puputnya starts the ball. Extra Liang Liang. And there's a second and a third. Miss. But now Chen Ru have a chance, the birthday boy, to gain the lead. And it's a start with a brilliant first touch, second, and the third is a wonderful volley. 1-0 to Chen Ru, the birthday boy. Extra, shut up lah, Kelefe. Embra. Liang Liang, the extra. It's the first touch. And the Kelefe. This Xiao again. 走开啦. It's a start. Brian. Second. Finish the third. Saved by Chen Ru, the birthday boy. And if he scores this, he will be in the final against Chin Jialiang, the Kelefe of the match. And the match will start now. If he scores this, he will win the final. Foul by Brian as he come out, and it's a yellow card given by the Kelefe to Brian. Now Chen Ru will retakes again, and Kelefe will be disqualified if he do that again, and he will lose his qualification in the final. Finish with a touch, brilliant miss. I mean a save by our current first choice Puputnya goalkeeper. Kelefe does it again as he's going to get whacked by me. Okay, the match starts with Brian. And if he misses, and it will be over, and it's over. Chen Ru beat Brian. And the process to the final against Jialiang, the Kelefe of the match.